In this video, I'm going to talk about using the Device Manager. It's another tool to help Windows 7 run good and help you have an idea what's going on. The Device Manager is it's in the Microsoft Management Console. It's a snap-in that lets you configure hardware components, and it's really good for keeping track of what drivers need updated, or if you know something needs a driver update, you can just go to what you're looking for in your device manager and update it straight from there. It's pretty cool. So in this, we're gonna go into our device manager and have a look around. So to get there, go to your start, go to computer and right click and then hit manage. And here's our computer management, and as you can see, we have device manager here listed on the left. There's actually another way to get there. You can go start, you can right click my computer and go to properties, and there's device manager right there, but I always go this way. So we click device manager, and if you had any problems, if there was something not working correctly on your computer, you'd see a yellow question mark on something, and you could just expand it, and it would, you could click on it and it would, maybe say, say we're in here and it says, your driver needs updated or something along those lines. So in this exercise, we're going to look at the network adapter. So here's our network adapters. We just click on it. Here mine says the device is working properly, so that's good. You can go to it has tabs along the top, so you can, whatever you're looking for. The advanced tab just depends on what network card you have or whatever, and these settings are usually determined by the driver, so there's really, as long as it's working, you should be fine. You shouldn't have to mess with anything. The advanced tab, that's where we're at. The driver tab, this is the one where you may have to come here someday. Update the driver right there. If you know you need to update the driver for something, just click on the thing like we did to get this window open, go to the driver tab and update driver. And it usually gives you a choice of, if you have the disk, or if you want it to search the internet, or if you want it to search Windows. So if you already know where it's at, it makes it pretty easy. So we can go here, we can click the driver details, and all this is displays the files that are, used as part of the device driver. That's all that is. And then details tab, not a whole lot of information, just tells you what it is. Resources, all the resources tab is, you can view and modify the resources, but it's not this tab might not even be, if you don't have it, don't worry about it, because as you can see on mine, there's not a whole lot I can do with it. So as long as your driver's updated and the device is working, you don't need to mess with any of this stuff really. The only one you may want to is power management. Allow the computer to turn this device off to save power. Yeah. But when I put my computer to sleep, everything goes to sleep, and obviously I don't want this to wake up my computer. So this has been a short little video on how to access and then use your device manager, and hopefully you'll be able to update your drivers accordingly.